One person was killed and two others were injured Monday night after a Chevy Blazer and a Suburban collided in a head-on crash on La Palma Avenue in Buena Park just before 9 p.m.
Our preliminary investigation shows that the white SUV that was behind us was traveling in a westbound direction on La Palma. For some unapparent reason, it crossed over onto oncoming traffic, and this Suburban behind us struck head-on with the white SUV. The Suburban was traveling in an eastbound direction.
The collision caused the Blazer to flip onto its roof, ending up on the sidewalk on the south side of La Palma. Firefighters removed the driver from the Blazer, taking him to a hospital, where he was pronounced dead less than an hour later. Police have not identified the driver, describing him only as a man in his early 80s. Police said the male driver of the Suburban and a female passenger were taken to a hospital with moderate injuries.
We're also in a situation where the driver of the Suburban behind us is being suspected for possible DUI as well.
The eastbound lanes of La Palma between Dale and Woodland were closed for several hours as investigators went over the scene.
This is the borderline of Anaheim and the city of Buena Park, and we have the Buena Park Mall and Knott's Berry Farm in the local area, so there is some traffic being affected.
It wasn't immediately known what caused the driver of the Blazer to veer into oncoming traffic, and police are investigating the cause of the crash. Buena Park police ask that anyone who witnessed the collision call their traffic bureau at the number on your screen.